Brief of NEC Article 110. National Electrical Code Article 110 is important because it provides fundamental requirements for the installation, operation, and maintenance of electrical systems. The purpose of this article is to ensure the safety of people and property from electrical hazards by establishing rules and regulations for electrical installations. By following the provisions of Article 110, electrical professionals can ensure that electrical systems are installed and maintained safely, and that electrical equipment is installed and used in a manner that minimizes the risk of electrical shock, electrocution, and fire. Article 110 establishes requirements for overcurrent protection, grounding and bonding, wiring methods, equipment installation, disconnecting means, service equipment, electrical room requirements, working space, and marking of electrical equipment. Compliance with these requirements helps to ensure that electrical systems are installed and operated safely and effectively. In summary, the importance of NEC Article 110 lies in its ability to establish safety requirements for electrical installations, to promote safe electrical practices, and to minimize the risk of electrical hazards to people and property. What are the important clauses from NEC Article 110? Section 110.2 General Requirements. Section 110.3 Examination, Identification, Installation, and Use of Equipment. Section 110.4 Integrity of electrical equipment and connections. Section 110.9 Interrupting rating. Section 110.10 Circuit impedance and other characteristics. Section 110.11 Deteriorating agents. Section 110.13 Electrical connections. Section 110.14 Electrical connections for conductors. Section 110.16 Flash protection. Section 110.17 Arc flash hazard warning.